Hey guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a video into an audio file on your iPhone using the Shortcut app. First, open the Shortcut app. Now tap the search bar and search for Encode Media. Then add it to your shortcut. Next, tap the Info I button at the bottom and enable Show in Share Sheet. Then tap Done. After that, tap Media and change it to Shortcut Input. Now tap the arrow next to it. Turn on audio only. You can also choose your preferred audio format such as M4A. Now tap the search bar again. Search for save file and add it below Encode Media. Tap the arrow next to save Encode Media and make sure ask where to save it enable. Next, tap the arrow at the top of the shortcuts. Give it a name like video to audio and tap Done. That's it. Open the video you want to convert in the Photos app or File app. Tap the share button. Scroll down and select your video to audio shortcut. Choose where you want to save the converted audio file, then tap open or save. Once the process is complete, open the files and you will find your audio here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.